Hey guys, all right, getting started on this Powerstroke 6.0 hard start when it's already warm. As you guys can see in the back, it's really windy, guys, really windy. So again, guys, the customer's complaining that in the morning it tends to start. Once he's ran it for a while, it kind of struggles to start. I did notice last night, I usually don't like to start him before the diagnosis, guys, but I did start this one up to bring it in here. I did notice that the battery was a little bit, seems like the battery was low. Not sure if battery or starter dragging, but nonetheless, guys, always run the codes first. You want to make sure that the codes coincide with the actual symptoms or problems they're having. I just want to be sure. He had a few different concerns, and I just want to see what he has stored in the computer right now to be sure. All right, let's see. Bear with me, guys. Here I am. There it is, guys. Those are the codes that he's having. I don't think those codes have anything to do with the actual problem that he's having. Those are some of the other concerns he's having. He is talking about how the check engine light will come off and on here and there, and that he's starting to see a little bit of black smoke out of the exhaust. Obviously, these codes are going to pertain more to that, the black smoke and the check engine light going off and on, but I don't think it has anything to do with the hard start. That's a whole different situation. So right now I'm going to go ahead and try to start it, and I'll show you guys what's going on and see what happens.